What's up, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be trying something for fun. This is just a bit of an experiment for myself. I've heard of other people doing it, but I want to try it. It's not going to harm anything, but it's just more of a fun thing that I get to try out, and I'm going to document it with you guys. So basically everything on my truck, with the exception of these wheels, doesn't have chrome on it. There's no chrome. My truck used to have chrome with the sport package, but I've eliminated that. And what I am going to do is, the only thing that's left chrome is these tips. You can buy tips from a few different places, but they're insanely expensive in my opinion. So basically, we're gonna take these off. We're gonna try Plasti dipping them. Yes, I said Plasti dip. So apparently some guys have put Plasti dip on them and it doesn't melt off, even though, as the name implies, it's plastic in a coating. They've put it on and had good luck. I mean, I obviously could, paint them, but I want to try putting Plasti dip on them just so that if I ever decided to go back, I could potentially go back. If the Plasti dip melts, if it ends up discoloring, any of that stuff, then we'll just go into the whole painting routine of sanding, prepping, and painting them. But this is a fun experiment for myself and for you guys to try, and we'll see how it works out. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these off. I got the toolkit here. Basically, if you guys look, hopefully you can see this, it's just one bolt that holds these on. So you can see there's just this one bolt here, and this thing basically pops off. So we're gonna go ahead, loosen it, or at least get it down. Not sure, I haven't taken these off, to be honest with you guys, but maybe at least loosen it so that I can move it down so that I can actually get a nice even coat of paint on these. But let's go ahead, loosen that bolt and see what happens. Okay, so that was the world's easiest thing to get off. Like I said, I've never had any reason to take them off, but I know that they do come off. Just a 13 mil bolt, you loosen it, and it just pops straight off as easy as pie. So let's go ahead and let's clean this and start Plasti dipping it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and clean both tips with some brake cleaner and just blue paper towel, nothing too crazy. So let's go ahead and just clean these up, and then we'll go ahead and start. Okay, so the Plasti dip's all shook up. Now for the fun part, let's go ahead and apply several light coats of this Plasti dip. You're supposed to do it in coats. So basically you apply the coat, wait about 30 minutes between your coat, and then apply the next one. We're gonna do that on both these tips. We'll see how this turns out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and throw one more coat on there, but they're looking super good so far, guys. As always, let me know what you guys think, but this should be a fun little experiment. We'll see how it holds up. Again, it's just rubberized coating. Worst comes to worst, we'll peel it off or scrape it off, whatever. But this is just something I'm doing for fun for you guys. I'm gonna do this video, and then we'll do a follow-up, see how it's holding up. I don't know, maybe a month down the road, or we'll see. We'll see how long it lasts. Let's throw one more coat on there, and we'll toss these back on. All right, guys, they are finished and looking great. Let's go ahead and pop them on and see how it looks. Wow, this was something I definitely overlooked. With the rest of the black badges and just the black and the silver, this is looking way better than I anticipated. Even if this Plasti dip doesn't hold up, I'm really just doing this for fun, guys, so don't be too critical on this. I'm just doing it because I want to see how it looks. And if the black Plasti dip doesn't hold up, we're going to paint them black and do it nice and better. But why not give this Plasti dip a shot? But This looks awesome. I still have the other one to put on, but check out how good that looks. So it really completes the look of the truck, guys. Let's go ahead and get the other one on there. Here's how everything looks, guys. I'm extremely happy with it, and you know, just if this is strictly just a test, even if the Plasti dip is strictly just to see how it looks cosmetically with everything matching, I think it looks great. My wheels aren't on here right now. We just have the drag wheels, 17-inch wheels, but we'll put it in the 24s on soon enough, and everything is just gonna come together, guys. So once we get that, we get the drop, I think it's gonna look really good. Let me know what you guys think, as always, in the comments below. So guys, that's gonna do it for this video today. Like I said, more than anything, the Plasti dip is just a test to see how it looks black, but at the same time, I'm very curious to see how that black Plasti dip is gonna hold up. Is it gonna melt? Is it gonna peel? Is it gonna turn color? We'll find out. I'll keep you guys posted, but I think it looks great. Everything's color matched now. I love the way it looks with the black Plasti dip on there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Make sure to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Any questions you have, make sure to ask them in the questions below. That's pretty much it, guys, and check out the Instagram channel too, Boosted Motorsports. So it's the same as the YouTube channel, Boosted Motorsports, and you can follow along there. We do a lot of cool stuff there as well. But as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed for the next videos, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.